In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Higgsfield AI account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in Higgsfield.ai. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Higgsfield AI. What you have to do is click on this option sign up that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options for signing up to your Higgsfield account. You can see the options like Google, Apple, Microsoft, etc. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to continue with Google. If you also selected that option, you can see over here you'll have to select the Google account to continue. So simply click on your Google account. Now after that, allow Higgsfield to access the information. Simply click on this option, continue. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to answer 5 questions to continue. You can see the first question over here. How do you plan to use Higgsfield? Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, answer other questions as well. You can see over here I'm answering the questions. Now after you answer all those questions, you'll be able to maximize your generations. You can also access more features according to the plan that you select. You'll be able to see the model over here. Likewise, you'll be able to see the generations amount. You can see the option for starter, plus and ultra over here. So what you have to do is select the plan for each model. After you do that, scroll down. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now in order to use the Higgsfield, you'll have to pay for the plans, so simply follow through the prompts. After you do that, make sure to provide the payment details, complete the transactions, follow all the instructions as they say. After that, you'll be able to use the Higgsfield AI and your account will be created. So that is how you create Higgsfield AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.